So when we started this job, we didn't realise that this cladding had been put on upside down. We've even got resin on it which won't come off, so it all needs replacing. But look at that, it looks like it's been patched up more times than Katie Price. I mean, look how many people has had a go at that. So obviously we've got to rip all them tiles off there, they're not in line. We told customer beforehand that this might be an extra when we take the chimney down because we don't know what's behind it. But you're going to do it properly.